Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm actually going to talk about making the adjustments for making this picture pop out just a little bit more. As you can see, I unlocked the layer right here, which is, I renamed it Master. And what I want to do is actually go to Image, Adjustments, and Curves. And what I like to do usually is make a point right there, drop that down a little bit to make the blacks black, click that and make that up a little bit to make the whites white. As you can see, we got a slight little curve here. And it's kind of like the preset that we have. It's called increased contrast. It kind of looks like that. So you hit OK. As you can see, the picture looks a whole lot better already. And if you want to, we can actually duplicate by hitting Command or Control J. Red on this face. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add cyan. Just a little bit. -5 is good. And then I'm going to add yellow just a little bit to add a little yellow to their skin. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. That's before, that's after. Hit OK. You want to go to Image, Adjustments, Saturation. Boost the saturation. I always boost the saturation a little bit, but not too much. I go to like +8. Hit OK. Hit Image, Adjustment, and you can go to Contrast now, and just add a little bit of contrast, like 6. Okay, so now we have our image here, and as you can see, the before and after. That's before. That's after. Looks a whole bunch better, and it's not oversaturated. It's not killing your computer. It's not looking horrible. So some people go over a little crazy on saturation, but that is it for the main adjustments. And if you want to go to shadow and highlights, you can also do that. Adjustments, shadow and highlights, and it kind of gives you that look. Drop down the amount, add highlights to it. You can see the preview is before and that's after. So I like the way that looks. And I'm actually going to hit OK. As you can see the difference between that and that. This looks a whole bunch better. So that is it for making the adjustments.